right, Math 1, your final benchmark, number 22. Consider the equation representing a customer purchasing 3 boxes of cereal at X dollars each and 4 apples at Y dollars each at a grocery store for a total of $12. So your equation is 3x plus 4y equals 12. And it says, what is the equation when solved for y? All right, so basically what we're doing is just going from standard form to slope-intercept form. So we're just simply going to take this equation and solve it for y. All right, so if we want to solve it for y, we want to get y by itself. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract 3x from both sides. So we have 4y equals, it doesn't matter which order we put this in, but I'm going to put the negative 3x plus 12 just so that I have the slope first. And you can see that all of these, the slope comes first. All right, last step, divide everything by 4. This is negative 3/4 x, and then 12 divided by 4 is 3. So if we come over here, negative 3/4 x plus 3, looks like the first one, that's negative 1/4, 1/4, that's got the wrong slope, and that's a positive 3/4. So A is the correct answer. So for number 22, your answer is A.